Hello everyone. Today's learning goal is I can determine if a table or graph represents a proportional relationship. Recall, what is a proportional relationship? It is a relationship between two equal ratios. Also remember, what is a proportional relationship equation? The equation of a proportional relationship is y equals kx, and k is the constant of proportionality. A table of values represents a proportional relationship when, first, if the input is 0, then the output must be 0. And 2, the ratios of y over x are all equivalent. The table shows an example of a proportional relationship. If you divide any of your y's by any of your x's, you will always get 3. So the equation of this for this table is y equals 3x. Y equals 3x. A graph represents a proportional relationship when the graph goes through the origin, which is 0, 0, and the graph must be a straight line, as in the example below. Now it's your turn. Try the next few problems on the next page on your own, and then we will go over these in class.